And then there were 11. 11 to go. So, you going to pick them?
Yeah.
All right. Let's see what you get.
Close your eyes.
Okay, close my eyes.
It was the closest. Begin unboxing. Little Alfie.
Okay, I kind of lost track. I don't even know what we're hoping for, but I don't know. Something we just don't have, I guess. Something cool.
Cool.
All right, let's do it. Let's get this guy open. Here we go. Red 5 Luke!
Yes.
And we have a Red 5 Luke, right? But is this? Yeah, we definitely do. But
I just saw something.
705. Cool. All right, I'm really hoping for something new here. Let's see. Yep, because look, we have 1, 2, 3 of those guys. All right, 1 to stock, 1 to rock, 1 to trade. That's what we're looking like, huh?
I saw something cool.
Yeah.
When the cube is there in the background, the sky.
Yeah.
It's like outer space.
Yeah.
But actually, once he's like what you say right there and not in the cube anymore.
Yeah.
It changes into a normal sky.
It does?
Yeah.
Well, I guess we have to unbox that to see. I don't remember that.
Yeah. See, now it's that.
Yeah. Look at that. Very cool. All right. Good catch on the sky too, buddy.
Yeah, I'll show you outer space when it actually changes.
Yeah. All right, look at it there. How do you like that? Good catch. Oh, we already had opened one of these guys, and now we've got another one open, and we still have a couple more. Cool. All right. Can't have too many Lukes, right? They're one of the biggest heroes in movie history.
Mm-hmm.
Very cool. All right. Let's hope we get something else super cool super soon. Something we don't have, right? That's what we're hoping for. No. We'll see you soon.